DacMagic 200M is a digital-to-analog converter, or DAC for short, designed to reveal more detail and clarity in your music. Whether you're streaming, playing CDs, or exploring high-resolution files, I'll show you how easy it is to get set up. In the box, you'll find the DacMagic 200M, a 12-volt power supply with regional adapters, a Bluetooth antenna, and some documents, including a quick start guide. Let's get it connected. There are a few easy ways to use DacMagic 200M. For a desktop setup, you can connect MXN10 to the DAC with a digital cable and then plug your headphones into the front for personal listening. Or if you want a compact audio system, run MXN10 into DacMagic 200M the same way, then connect the DAC to the MXW70 power amplifier using RCA or XLR cables to drive your speakers. Finally, plug in the power cable and switch it on. That's it, you're ready to go. With DacMagic 200M in this setup, music comes through DacMagic, our app that puts all your streaming services and digital libraries in one place. Find your music, hit play in the app, and MXN10 sends the digital signal to the DAC to convert it with incredible clarity. Bluetooth is also on board if you want to quickly connect a phone or tablet. Before you forget, register your DacMagic 200M on the Cambridge Audio website. You'll get exclusive offers and easier support if ever you need it. And that's it, set up and ready to enjoy your music. Happy listening, and check out our other videos to learn more.